Hello, welcome to Learning Norms, and today we're going to talk about the built-in print function of Python. So, what is print function and why we use it? Well, we usually use it in order to print something, print statement or object or string on the screen or any output devices. So, what does it mean? Okay, let me give you an example. For example, I'm using print function. Okay, so giving a shop. Okay, for example, we have developed a game. Okay, in order to write something on that, so that once your user starts the game, you will able to see it. Okay, for example, hello user. Okay, and then press enter again, print how are you doing. So sorry, how are you doing? So anything you write will be print. Once you run the program, it will be print on the console. So see, hello user, how are you doing? So in order to print something on the screen, we just use the print function. Okay, that's very simple. Just remember that. We'll have to use inverted commas. We'll have to write the strings within inverted commas. Okay, for now just remember that. And once we use, like, if you want to write numbers, we'll have to omit the inverted commas, like print. If you want to write a number like 12, you have to omit the inverted commas. Okay, then see 12. If you write like within inverted commas, let's see. Okay, you'll still be printed, but it will be printed as a string. Okay, it will no longer be a number. So okay, we will discuss in detail later, but for now just concentrate on print function. So in broad, the print function, before pressing the enter, let's check the syntax of this function. Okay, print, that is values, and sep, which stands for separator, and end, it will give like the escape characters. So, and file and flush, we usually print the values, and the rest is just optional. We don't usually do that. They have a default value for these parameters, so we don't usually use that. But let's see what if we want to use these parameters. Okay, so let's write hello there, hello there. So let's write another object. Okay, comma, hello there, how are you? Okay, how are you? Now if we print this, it will show us like hello there, how are you? But we have used a separator in between, and it is shown as a white space in between these two objects. So what if we want to change this separator? If we want to change this separator, just write sep equals inverted commas, and within that just write whatever you want to separate your two objects with. So like for example, I'm just giving like minus minus minus. Okay, and once I hit the run, see, it will separate the two objects with this 3 minus minus minus. What if we have more objects? It will still do the same trick. So are you fine? Okay, just write anything. Okay, see, it will separate. The more objects you print, it will just separate those objects with this separator. Okay, I hope you understood. You just practice. Now press comma, and let's check the other parameter, like n parameter. Okay, n parameter, in default it has a value like escape character, that is /n. Let me give you, okay, like n. Okay, this means that move on to the next line. It's an escape character. Okay, okay, then what if this is the default value of this n? What if we want to change this? And let's change this one. Get it, and press T. This will just this means that just tab. Okay, just give some space and write on the next. Okay, so once this is printed, this will just give like a tab, a space, little space. Okay, once we run it, see, it's no longer moving on to the next line, it's just giving a tab. Okay, so there's that. You can write like again, you can write n and enter it, and see, it's moving on to the next line. So the other options I will discuss it on our upcoming videos, surely, because it's a bit complicated than these ones. For now, just print, have fun and print whatever you want. Okay, so thanks for watching, see you on the next video.